How to fix Wi-Fi failed to connect to network on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your Wi-Fi connection problem in your Android device. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your Wi-Fi settings in your mobile device, and whenever you try to connect to a Wi-Fi network, it says either fail to connect to network or disconnected. So in that case, what you have to do is go to your settings in your mobile device, and once you land on your settings page, scroll down a bit and from there go to System. Now once you tap on Systems, there on the next page you will find Reset options. Tap on that, then tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Here, this reset will include your Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So simply tap on Reset setting. After your network is reset, you have to go back to your Wi-Fi settings in your mobile device, and you have to reconnect your Wi-Fi by providing your password again. After resetting, if your Wi-Fi is still not connected to a network, then there might be another reason. Your device might have been blocked from your Wi-Fi router setting. So you have to go to your Wi-Fi router setting and from there remove your device from the blocked list. And once you remove your device from the blocked list in your router settings, you will be able to connect your Wi-Fi to a network. And that's how you fix Wi-Fi connection problem in your Android device. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.